Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming accounts and installations. Make sure you, the host, own the full It Takes Two PC game. Once done, have your friend install the Friends Pass client version from the same store, Steam or EA app, so both clients match. Next, verify both players are signed into their respective accounts and that online permissions, NAT and firewall rules allow the game. This prevents connection hiccups. Doing this early saves time and avoids repeating steps later. You then launch the full It Takes Two game as the host and choose online co-op. This initializes the session and matchmaking. Once the lobby is ready, invite your friend using the in-game invite, the Steam overlay, or the EA app friends list. Choose whichever connects faster. When your friend accepts the invite in their Friends Pass client, make sure they join the lobby quickly so character loadouts and prompts sync correctly. If needed, resend the invite rather than restarting the whole game. You now start the cooperative session. The host's game controls saves and story progression, so communicate who handles menus. If your friend can't join or experiences disconnects, first try restarting the game client and resending the invite. This resolves most handshake errors. If problems persist, make sure both PCs have compatible NAT types, temporarily disable third-party firewalls, and verify game files via the store client to fix corrupted data. That single troubleshooting step often restores a stable connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.